What is going on, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. This is how these other channels do it, right? They use a lot of hand motion, a lot of talking, non-stop talking throughout the video, a lot of pointing, a lot of hand gestures. Over here, over here, over here, over here, up here, down here. Just kidding. I'll just be myself. I don't really talk too much, but today we got a great video for you guys. I think you're gonna appreciate it. I think you're gonna like it. Got a special box full of parts from RJWC Motorsports. A lot of you guys that follow the Can Ams know that RJWCs, they make exhaust, airbox lid covers, gas cap covers, headlights. They make all kinds of stuff for these ATVs, so we got a little surprise box there for you to check out later. This video is brought to you by Rockstar Recovery, guys. Look at that, Rockstar. Played some basketball, trying to get back in shape, so I need a little recovery drink. No, I'm kidding, it's not sponsored by Rockstar, but I am trying to get back in shape. COVID's been hard on all of us, so delicious though, man, that's good. But yeah, so let's check out what is in the box, guys. Now the first item we have from RJWC is right under here. Can anyone guess? I'll give you a couple seconds. No guesses? Yes? No? It is their El Braaapo gas cap lid. They make a couple different versions of these. I believe one has all silver in here, aluminum, but I like the all black with just a little hint of silver aluminum around it. So let's get this opened up. You may be wondering why a different gas cap. Well, supposedly from what I've been reading online, I don't know how prevalent it is, but here it is here. El Braaapo. This has a better seal up here, better gasket, so you can see it's nice, big, thick, and heavy. So we'll find out how well it fits. But here's a little El Braaapo guy. Kind of cool. I like it. Like the design. It's something different, something unique, you know. But supposedly online, guys are saying if you go in deep water and stuff, this stock lid. So you got that tiny little seal right there, but supposedly the stock lid will actually kind of leak on you. Now I don't think I've ever had that problem, but supposedly that's a problem you could have. Get it to sit down on there, right? He's sitting crooked. I want him to sit this way. There's no way to turn him either. El Braaapo is upside down. Man, see, he should be, when you're done, should be sitting like that. That way you can see him. I wonder, I wish there's a way to, I think that's actually engraved on there. I wish there was a way to turn that. But anyways, that's the El Braaapo gas cap. So I think that looks pretty decent. Otherwise you got the stock black one. Whatever. The main thing is just so it seals up better around that lid. So we'll try it out, see how it works, see if we have any problems with it. But it should work for now. Feels like it's on there plenty tight. So all right, time to get rid of this. All right, guys, item number 2 from RJWC. Any guesses as to what it is? Item number 2. Yeah, I'm sure some of you guys out there guessed it. I'm sure somebody out there guessed it. Oh, look at that. There we are, the RJWC Air Box Lid. Man, does that look nice, huh? Whew. That thing sparkles in the sunlight. Too bad you'll never see it. Oop, towel just fell down. Microfiber towel. But this here is for your airbox lid to give you a better seal for when you're going in deep water and mud and stuff. And of course I can't open it with one hand. But I'll show you where it goes. Just pop your seat off. Lift this up. Slide that back. And it goes right on here. So I already have the OMC seal on here. But what I was hoping when I ordered this guy, I was hoping this lid would actually fit over the OMC seal, just fit on like that, because I like the looks of this anodized aluminum, milled aluminum, whatever you want to call it, top. Really like the looks of that, but I may just have to actually replace the whole OMC gasket and just put on the gasket that comes with this one, which we'll look at now. Alright, here it is. I got it out of there. This is high quality, guys. It was really nice, heavy duty, milled very nice. Here's the back side here with your gasket that goes around here. So if any of you guys, I'm sure you've seen other videos on YouTube of these, but looks pretty decent. Looks a lot better than what the stock Can Am seal was. Now I was hoping this was flat around here, but as you can see, it's actually like a little channel in there. So I don't know if that OMC seal would actually sit down in there like it's supposed to, but I am gonna find out. So I'm gonna try and get this bugger off. These are a pain in the butt to get off here, guys. Like a royal pain in the butt. So I'm gonna try and get that off there, and then see how this fits on here. So, but it'll look a lot nicer. It'll look way nicer on there. Not that anyone sees it, but. Alright guys, you don't have to run yours this way, but I actually just went ahead and put the OMC gasket on here and then tightened it down with the OMC gasket. So this is locked on here right now. Because the RJWC gasket that came with it, just by myself trying to push this thing on here using socket and everything. Yeah, I couldn't get that bugger to lock on there, and I was worried about breaking out those little slots and tabs where these little guys are supposed to go into. So the RJWC lid with the OMC seal, it makes this a little bit thinner, so it's actually, it goes on a lot nicer. It doesn't go on easy, but it definitely goes on nicer than trying to do the other ones. And it looks like everything's all sealed up around here. So I'm gonna run this like this, and we'll try it out and see how that works. So hopefully you like the video. I'll update you in a future one once I go mudding again, and then I'll pull this off and check, see if anything's got in there. So I think that'll work though for now. Alright guys, so I think that's where I'm gonna end the video for today. I gotta run uptown, do some stuff. So the air box lid took a little longer than I thought, kind of a pain in the butt to get off, and trying to put the other one on was a pain in the butt. So I'm just gonna call her quits here. The other RJWC part you can check out in my next video, which will be uploaded shortly here. I will surprise you with that. And if any guesses what it is, leave it down in the comments below. But yeah, that video will be coming super quick. Whatever that is, I'm going to install it tomorrow, and then I'll try and get it uploaded right soon after here. So, all right guys, thanks for all the support. Appreciate it, and we'll catch you in the next video.